According to a recent Forbes study, over 45% of full-time creators and freelancers in the US are now earning more than $100,000 a year without a traditional 9-to-5. They're not tech moguls or Wall Street elites. They're people with a laptop, internet connection, and the right online income idea. In 2025, the digital landscape is more fertile than ever. The creator economy, automation, AI, and niche platforms have opened new paths to earning real income. So if you want to tap into the momentum and earn online, here are the most powerful income ideas for 2025 and how to make them work. Idea number 1. YouTube automation channels. You don't need to show your face or even talk on camera to earn from YouTube. Automation channels, also called faceless YouTube, are growing fast. Think finance explainers, list-style videos, top 10s, or true crime stories. Hire freelancers on Fiverr or Upwork to handle voiceovers, editing, and thumbnails. Focus on one niche, post consistently, and optimize for search. Monetize through AdSense, affiliate links, and digital products. People like Caleb Box scaled faceless YouTube channels to earn $30,000 plus per month, all without recording a single video themselves. Idea number 2, AI-assisted freelancing. Freelancing isn't new, but in 2025, smart freelancers are pairing their skills with AI tools to double their output. Writers are using ChatGPT to speed up blog creation. Designers use tools like Midjourney or Canva's AI features. Video editors automate captions and edits with platforms like Descript. The goal? Offer more for less time and scale income. Platforms like Contra, Upwork, and TopTal are great for high-paying US clients. A skilled, AI-savvy freelancer can realistically earn $5,000 to $10,000 a month with just a few clients. Idea number 3, niche digital products. Low cost, high margin, and 100% digital. Niche digital products are thriving. Create a Notion template for freelancers, a Canva workbook for teachers, or a budget tracker for new parents. Sell on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own Shopify site. A single product can earn passively for months. Creator at the Notion Bar has made over $300,000 selling productivity templates. You don't need millions of followers, just a strong niche and value-packed product. Idea number 4, print-on-demand apparel and merch. You don't need inventory to start a clothing or merch brand. Print-on-demand platforms like Printful, Teespring, or Gelato handle printing and shipping for you. Focus on a niche. Funny cat quotes, minimalist Christian designs, or gamer merch. Use TikTok and Instagram Reels to go viral. One viral tee design can net thousands in sales. The cost is low, the margins are high, and you can run the whole business from your phone. Idea number 5, online courses and micro-coaching. If you've mastered a skill, someone out there is willing to pay you to teach it. Use platforms like Teachable or School to launch your own course. Or start with one-on-one coaching sessions at $50 to $200 per hour. Whether it's fitness, copywriting, language tutoring, or digital marketing, personalized coaching is in demand. What's working in 2025? Shorter, actionable courses. People want results, not lectures. Think, how to land your first $1,000 client in 30 days, rather than mastering freelance writing. Idea number 6, newsletter monetization. Newsletters are the new blogs, and they're making people rich. Platforms like Substack, Beehive, and ConvertKit let anyone build a subscriber base and monetize. Pick a focused niche. Startup news, real estate tips, AI tools, or remote work hacks. Grow via Twitter threads, SEO, or paid ads. Monetize through paid subscriptions, affiliate links, or sponsorships. Justin Welsh turned his newsletter into a multi-six-figure business by delivering weekly value to his niche audience. Idea number 7. Affiliate marketing with authority blogs. Affiliate marketing still works, but now it's all about niche authority. Start a blog around a topic you know and enjoy: home office gear, minimalist travel, or backyard gardening. Write SEO-optimized content and link to products using affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Impact, or Share a Sale. As your blog gains traffic, brands may approach you for sponsorships too. Websites like The Wirecutter started small and sold for millions because of affiliate income.
Idea number 8. Virtual real estate flipping. Real estate is expensive. Virtual real estate isn't. Buy undervalued websites or domains from marketplaces like Flippa or Empire Flippers. Improve the site, better SEO, cleaner design, updated content, then resell for profit. Or keep the website and earn monthly income from ads, affiliate links, or digital products. A $2,000 investment can turn into $10K plus in a year if you know what to look for. Idea number 9. Remote customer support plus chat roles. Not every online income idea is entrepreneurial. Many companies now hire remote support reps for customer service, tech help, or even just chat moderation. Pay rates range from $15 to $30 per hour. Look on sites like remote.co, We Work Remotely, or FlexJobs. Some roles are part-time and flexible, perfect for people transitioning into full-time online income. In 2025, even non-tech-savvy people can land well-paying remote jobs if they have great communication and reliability. Idea number 10. AI prompt selling and custom GPTs. Yes, even ChatGPT can make you money. In 2025, creators are selling prompt libraries, building niche GPTs, and offering AI consulting services. Sell high-value prompts for writers, recruiters, or entrepreneurs. Use OpenAI's GPTs to build tools like a resume reviewer or ad generator and charge for access. One creator sold $20,000+ in prompt packs on Gumroad alone. If you understand how to communicate with AI tools, you can package that knowledge for profit. Online income isn't a fantasy, it's the future. Pick a lane, learn fast, and stay consistent. By the end of 2025, your biggest regret might just be not starting sooner.